How should I word this better? It's so much work. The further you go. Take a full load, letting your wings unfold, but keeping everything down to a minimum, everything a bit low. Tell them what you know, not all that you know though. The truth be told, you needed more than you thought, but you're managing, that's how you even out. That line, a fine line between a wrong and a right. You get yours, I'm gonna get mine. Is that what you signed for? They're feeding you lines, keep you on their side. It works every time. What you got to live for? Now you got the whole of the world at your feet, and how much more can you pass yourself round? What you got to live for? Now you got the whole of the world at your feet, but you're still shaking. You need to make up some ground. Go, take a full load, letting your wings unfold, but keeping everything down to a minimum, everything a bit low. Tell them what you know, not all that you know though. The truth be told, you needed more than you thought, but you're managing, that's how you even out.
Terima kasih sekali lagi untuk Pra RAKOR ini, khususnya kawan-kawan penyelenggara. Sangat baik saya kira proses rakornya. Saya juga jarang mengalami situasi di mana rakor kita bisa laksanakan secara maraton selama 3 hari. Jadi kita benar-benar 3 hari itu olah pikir aja semua kan. Thank you, makasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Makassar.